Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to change the email address linked to your Snapchat account using your Android phone. This step-by-step guide will help you update your email safely and easily, ensuring you keep your account secure and up to date. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android phone. Tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. After that, scroll down and tap on Email section. Enter your new email address in the field provided. Tap the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Snapchat will send a verification email to your new address. Open your email app, find the verification email from Snapchat, and click on the confirmation link to complete the change. That's how you change your email address on Snapchat using an Android device. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.